Railway station. The railway station is the stop for train. Some stations are very small and some are very big. They are usually located at railways, junctions, capital, towns, and commercial centers. We find offices, rooms, waiting rooms, police station, mail services, restaurants, bookstall in a large railway station. The booking office has a window through which passenger buy ticket. Railway police personnel are there to investigate crimes. The railway station provided regular mail service called RMS. There is a gathering of children, men, and women on a railway station. Different trains come and go from railway station. The train pick and drop passengers on a railway station. Thank you.